Good afternoon, everyone.
Hey guys, we're just down by the harbor for another little stroll on a different part that we haven't seen. Thought we'd take you along.
See what we see.
Yeah, day's not too hot, so we thought it'd be a good time for a nice walk.
Oh, there's a
boat launch.
there's a boat round. Boat.
Oh hey, how are you?
Good.
Good.
There's a boat ramp right there.
Yeah, that was a lady I used to work with.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, that's funny.
Oh, there you go.
Small town, small world.
There's
that's the Western Canada Marine Response Corporation, and they respond to oil spills through 2,300 kilometers along the BC coast. So they go out to any calls and keep our waters clean as much as they can to stop it from going into certain areas.
huh.
Yeah. It's a little walkout.
Yeah, I guess we could go out there, but we
No?
no,
Okay.
we won't go out there.
Alright, we won't go
Just
there.
because. Well, we'll go around. Cloudy, but it's getting warm out there a
Yeah,
bit
it's
today.
getting warm.
Yeah.
Some big boats in there. Yeah, Port Alberni is a nice little small town. It's nice that we have a harbor. Stuff going on in there. Want to walk through there?
Sure, yeah, we can walk through here. I don't know what's in here, so
Oh yeah, some little places to eat and what's over here? Honeybees?
honeybee.
Honeybee.
Well, you know.
I think they have markets down here and stuff. Little craft markets. Oh, that's cool.
Okay. Well, the benches out here and everything.
Yeah, it's a nice area just to come and sit and enjoy
Yeah.
the scenery. Oh, look at that big boat over there. Independent Seafood Canada.
Seafood sounds good.
There's the eagle.
There's the eagle up there. Nothing much happening in there, but I don't know.
Yeah, we need to open up a restaurant.
Yeah, I
here.
think so. No restaurant or anything. It doesn't look like happening right now. Unless it's, you know, special occasions or something.
That's a hotel, that boat over there. You can rent it. Like an Airbnb or something.
Just a little bit of a view, guys.
You have to pay $1.
Oh, it has to pay $1.
You have to pay $1 to.
That's okay. I can't see anyway.
Oh.
Yeah, no, I'm kidding, but yeah, probably don't have. I haven't got $1 on me.
We have to bring our binoculars. But yeah, it's a nice day. This is our new town. We actually won a contest, small town makeover. So their show in Canada, HGTV, is doing small town makeovers, and we won. So they're busy down here making over some stores and people's houses and playgrounds, and yeah, it's exciting. It'll be on TV in November. So yeah, very interesting. That's where the cruise ship came in, down the inlet down there. Ron's other video that came out. First cruise ship since 2019.
It was right over there, yeah. It was right over there.
Came up that canal from the Pacific Ocean. That'd be a cool adventure. Sheesh.
Okay, guys, that was just a little walk around. So
Yeah, from a different part of the harbor walk.
hope you're having a great day.
Yeah. Glad you're
And
tuning in.
we'll talk to you all soon.
Hit the thumbs up, please.
Bye.
Bye.